In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in Strava. Tagging or @mentioning is a simple way to call out a friend, give credit for a group workout, or make sure someone sees your comment. I'll walk you through it so you know exactly where to click and what to type, whether you're on the Strava website or using the app. First, open the activity on the Strava app or website that you want to reference. If you're on the website, head to the top navigation and click Training, then choose My Activities. That brings up your full list so you can quickly find the exact run, ride, or swim you want. Click into that activity to open its detailed page. On mobile, just open the activity from your feed or from your list of activities and you'll be in the right place. Once the activity is open, you can add a tag in either the comment section or the activity description. The comment box sits below the activity details, perfect for a quick shout out. If you prefer to include the mention in the description at the top, open the description field to edit it. Both spots work the same way. To create the tag, type the @ symbol. Immediately after the @ begin typing the person's name or username, no need for a space. As you type, Strava will show a list of matching people. This list helps you avoid typos and makes sure you're tagging the right account. From the suggestions that appear, select the correct user. Look closely at the profile photo and username to confirm you've got the right person, especially if there are multiple similar names. Once you click or tap their name, Strava will insert a proper link to their profile right where your cursor is. You can continue writing your comment or finish editing your description as usual. If the person you're trying to tag doesn't appear, double check the spelling of their name or try their exact username. You may also need to follow each other or adjust privacy settings. If an activity is set to private, they may not see it even if you tag them. Mentions typically send a notification to the tagged user, so keep it friendly and relevant. That's all there is to it. Open your activity, go to the comment box or description, type @ start entering their name, and pick the correct match from the list. With that, your tag is live and linked, making it easy for your friend to find the activity and join the conversation.